Hey everybody, it's Edie, your video creation strategist. I wanted to talk a little bit about adding interactivity to your videos. Interactive videos grew significantly in 2020 and is continuing that path even more this year. We are using it a lot more in our videos for the express purpose of creating engagement with our audiences. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you how you can incorporate interactivity into your videos using Camtasia. So first, what is Camtasia, you ask? Camtasia is a platform that I use to create all of my screen recordings. It's also a platform that I occasionally use to edit some of my videos. It's been around for quite some time, and over the years, they've expanded on their features that they offer within Camtasia. Today, there are two specific features that I'd like to talk to you about, and they are markers and hotspots. These are two features that provide interactivity within your videos. So let's start off with markers. Markers are a way for you to add what's called chapters in YouTube terms to your videos. So say, for example, you're creating a tutorial video that teaches 5 steps of a specific process. Markers can be used to indicate the point in your video where each step is located and can allow your viewers to navigate to that portion of the video or any portion of the video that they like. This action creates an interactive table of contents for your video upon exporting your video to either YouTube or to Camtasia's hosting platform, screencast.com. Once on YouTube, an automated table of contents with your markers identified as timecode will appear in your description field. The second feature is hotspots. Hotspot is a feature within Camtasia that allows you to make an area of your video clickable with an action that's associated with your click. So once clicked, it can take you to a different section of the video, or maybe perhaps to a completely different video, or even a website. To understand how this works, think about what happens when you click on info cards or end screens in YouTube. A hotspot can also allow your user to pause the video. They can then be directed to replay it or maybe jump to a different section of your video using these interactive hotspots. There is a caveat with hotspots. If you want to use it, you need to have it hosted on screencast.com, as their interactive capabilities will not work on YouTube. If you plan to host your videos on your website, then you can host this video on screencast.com. And then all you need to do is grab the embed code and then embed that into your website. And then your hotspot will work from there because it's going to be hosted on screencast.com. I'd love to hear from you regarding your experiences using either Camtasia's hotspots or markers. So do feel free to leave a comment below with your feedback. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I release new videos each week. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.